Hello, I'm Nana and welcome back to my styling series. This week I am taking on one of the biggest trends for spring summer, suede, and the high street have got some amazing new in pieces, and I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can style them. So I will start off by talking through the outfit that I've got on first. Turquoise, a big colour that you're definitely going to see for spring summer. This turtleneck is from ASOS. My orange suede skirt is from Zara, and then these are my own Attico snakeskin boots. First up, I am going to pick out this insane coord. Speaking of blue, this is another shade of blue that you are going to see everywhere for spring summer. This is from Whistles, so I'm going to try this on first and show you how I'll style it. So ice blue, you really are going to see all over the high street, whether it's in suede or different materials. This piece I love from Whistles just because I absolutely love a coord at all times. Now, ice blue was seen on Dior catwalk, Victoria Beckham, and obviously it goes really, really well just with white. So I've paired it with this white ribbed vest from ASOS Arrange. And then just to add some texture to the outfit, I've also got some mules, which are also from ASOS. Going in with these blue lens sunglasses that are from Another Stories. This coord is so wearable for whether you're going to the office or you're meeting the girls for brunch. But right now I'm going to show you how to style it as separates. I've swapped out the jacket for this denim shirt. This is from coord, and instantly you've got a completely different look. As soon as you buy any suede piece, you need to get some waterproof protection spray on there immediately. That will help against any sort of damage that could happen when you're out if it does start raining. Okay, I am going to go in for some more colour. So now I've gone with this red jacket from Massimo Dutti. I have styled them with brown lace trim silk shorts from Reformation and painted peep toe mules from Mango. This is definitely a Saint Laurent inspired look if you saw their spring summer 2026 show, or Hailey Bieber. Funnel neck jackets are definitely here to stay for this season, and I would advise investing on the high street because it's a trend that might not be around for too long, so you don't want to spend too much money on it. I would style this look with this brown suede bag. Suede on suede is definitely a look that you should try. Jewelled earrings, absolutely everywhere on the high street at the moment. Such an easy trend to buy into. You are also going to see red everywhere this spring summer. The easiest way to just dip your toe in is with a jacket or an accessory. If you are one of the tonal girlies, this is definitely one for you. A brown suede pencil skirt is definitely a wardrobe staple. It is one of those pieces that you will wear again and again and keep coming back to, whether it's autumn, winter or spring, summer. This one that I've got on is from Massimo Dutti, and I have paired it with this grey fine knit short sleeve top from coord and suede tan boots from Nobody's Child. This is definitely a really simple office look to recreate. Accessories wise, I'm going to go for this chunky gold link necklace that is from Zara. This black braided bag is from Mango. Definitely would fit your laptop, makeup bag, all of the bits that you need. And that's great over the shoulder. If you are looking for some colour combo inspiration, orange and brown is definitely one to tap into at the moment. This orange fine knit long sleeve top is from Zara. Zara at the moment have got really great colour pop tops in, from fine knit vests to long sleeve tops like this. Shoes wise, I've gone back to the ASOS peep toe mules. This again would still make a really great office look. As I said before, do not be scared to mix suede on suede. It works perfectly together. This collarless blazer is from coord. I absolutely love the cut on this. Collarless blazers, another big trend that you're going to see for spring summer. This would easily work so well with a pair of jeans if you are a denim girly. These tan suede trousers are from Mango. They are very straight leg, and I always think with a straight leg, the best type of shoe that you can wear is a really pointy cork because it just really elongates the legs. Pendant necklaces, huge trends that we've seen for the last couple of seasons. It's going nowhere. This silver dome shape pendant is from Mango Selection. Someone like me, I don't usually wear straight leg trousers because I've got quite big hips, but if I do, the trick is to wear something oversized on the top. So I'd go with an oversized t-shirt like this or an oversized blazer. Finish off the look, I'm gonna go in with these oversized sunglasses from Another Stories. This suede shirt is from Another Stories, and for me it works so well in autumn winter and also for spring summer because of the shade. I have paired them with these black balloon pants from Massimo Dutti and the white court shoes from 10th Floor. Now the trousers are a really nice kind of tailoring material, so for balloon trousers they feel a lot smarter and elevated. You could easily wear these to the office. I've given the shirt a little French tuck. To finish off the look, I am gonna just add on some bangles and also these oval shaped tinted glasses that are from Another Stories. That is it, guys. We have come to the end. I would love to know what your favorite look was. And as I mentioned, everything is new in now. So get shopping if you spotted anything that you love. We are going to put all of the links down below, and I would love to know in the comments what your favorite look is. Until next time, see you later.